the first year was 85, and then my bonus was 70 as a first year, so it was like 155 all in.
That's
and at
really
that
strong.
bank, 70 was kind of top 10%. I don't know if I got the highest. I think maybe one or two kids got higher. Second year was 90, and then the bonus my second year was 115.
Jeez.
Which was like a good bonus
That's
for a
crazy,
second year.
man. That's really solid.
Yeah, according to kind of my street comp.
Your second year out of
and
school,
then
you're making over $200,000.
Yeah, exactly. And learning a lot, and taking on a lot of responsibility, and then was early promoted my third year to associate, so got a nice like sign-on bonus, which was
that
something
25?
like
25?
$40,000.
Yep.
And then you start at 120 base, and then I had one bonus as an associate, and it was 150. So that year was a really nice year for me.
Yeah, so I can see why you, especially with living with a bunch of other roommates, I can see how you could save some money with those. That was significantly higher than when I was banking.